Verifying your Peacock account is an essential step to access all the features and content available on the platform. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Visit the Peacock website or app. Open your web browser or the Peacock app on your device. Navigate to the Peacock homepage or launch the app to begin the verification process. Step 2. Sign into your account. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your registered email address and password to log into your Peacock account. Step 3. Check your email. After signing in, check the email associated with your Peacock account. Look for a verification email from Peacock. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Click the verification link. Open the verification email and click on the link provided. This link will direct you back to the Peacock platform and confirm your account. Step 5. Confirmation of verification. Once you click the link, you should see a confirmation message on the screen indicating that your account has been successfully verified. You can now enjoy all the features of your Peacock account. By following these steps, you can easily verify your Peacock account and start streaming your favorite shows and movies.